Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. In this exercise, we are going to learn basic features like extruded boss base, how to use extruded cut tool to create, how to apply hole wizard features, how to apply fillets, and how to create any solid feature in particular angle. This is located at 15 degree from the normal axis. So let's try and learn basic features in SolidWorks. This is our exercise number 137 and we are going to create a new model. So this one we will consider as our front plane, this is side plane, and this is the auxiliary section view, auxiliary view, and this is the top view for this flange. So here we will start with front plane and we will create this half circles. You will see 36 and 48 is the diameter, and how long we need to extrude you will see in this top view, 28 millimeter. Then there is two flanges, see here, this flange R9 and 72 is center to center distance, and depth you will see here 10 millimeter, and corner radius R2. In our drawing already written here, all undefined fillets 2 millimeter and all dimensions in millimeter. So here too many fillets are here. You will see this corner, this corner, this corner. This one we will sort out at the end. So first we have to choose one plane. So I am going to select, let me, if you drop down this mmg menu and you will find here units, millimeter, gram, even though you can change, we will keep millimeter. Okay. First operation is extruded boss base. So first we need to choose any plane. So we are going to select front plane, go to sketch. Okay. Now activate circle and let me draw here two circles. The bigger one 48, enter. The smaller one 36, enter. Escape. Now we want to make half circle. So simply activate line tool and draw a center line, center to center. Escape key to out. See, this is fully defined sketch. But if you want to trim this one, activate trim entity, click here power trim, just press left mouse and drag. That's it. The drawing is still defined. Now, if you go to feature and select extruded boss base, now here from sketch plane what we selected, and the second one is direction. Direction we will keep mid plane because we are going to move in both side, and this is 28 millimeters. See, it moves in both side equally. Say yes. Let me deactivate. Okay. Now select the top face, sketch. Now let me do one thing, make center line which help us to create. Okay. Now going to activate dynamic mirror, which is going to help. Select line. Okay. Now it is activated. First I am going to select circle, activate circle and draw. R9 means R9 into 2. It's 18 diameter. Okay. Now again I am going to select activate line tool, connect from here to this edge, not outer one, this edge, because this is curve or circle. Connect this point, click line. Okay. Activate smart dimension and let's define center distance 72. See, it is fully defined sketch. Activate trim entity, click power trim and move left mouse and drag. See, it's trimmed. If I am going to check, activate extruded boss base feature. See, it is moving upside from sketch plane, end condition blind but reverse. Okay. And the depth 10 millimeter. Now look, now let's make this flange R30 34 millimeter, and you will see from here 50 millimeter from upper edge to this upper edge. So we will create this one first, then we will see how to create this one, because we need to create this also. And first we need to create, see, center distance from center line 20 millimeters. We will create a plane, then we will create one sketch and create a tilt plane 15 degree. I'll show you how we will create this one. Then let's create this also 8 millimeter, and this depth also 8 millimeter, corner radius R8 R12. Let's see, front plane, because this is the center plane, sketch. Now I am activate here center point arc. This is center point. Click this line to this line, right click, exit. Now I am going to select this line, convert entity. Even though you can draw, I'll choose this line, convert entity. Similarly this line, convert entity. Activate line tool, connect with this line, activate line, and again connect with this line. Now create few relations. Make sure lines are horizontal. Hold shift key, select origin point and select the center of this line. You will see here yellow color. If you move your cursor, okay, these 2 points selected vertical, it means it is fixed in center. Activate smart dimension, radius 30. It is not moving. Okay, this relation, see this relation, delete this relation. Now move, see, distance 34 and distance from top edge is 50. Trim entity, power trim, and trim this one. Say okay. Look, okay, let's trim some more. Again activate power trim, just move left mouse and see we have a closed geometry. Extruded boss base feature, you will see plane end condition, keep mid plane because we want to move both sides, and thickness 8 millimeter. Say yes. Now the most important thing, we have to create planes. First, front plane 20 millimeter distance. Okay, sketch plane, and let's create a line just for reference purpose. So choose construction line, center distance 64 millimeter. This is fully defined. Okay, now exit. Look, again I am going to choose plane. First I'll choose line, second reference I'll choose this plane. Now it's time to define angle. 15 degree. Look, this kind of, see, this is 15 degree from this face. Say okay. Let's hide plane 1. Let's create this. See, the plane we created 15 degree, and here this shape 50 center to center, then outer radius 10. There is a hole 8 diameter, 2 holes, and this radius 20, and thickness you will see here 10 millimeter, and corner radius R8. Then we will create these shapes, 8 millimeter, then radius R20, R4, R12, R4. So sketch, okay. Now let's draw a center line. Make sure it is line. Now 20 diameter, 20 diameter, this center radius 50. Then one more circle, let's make from center point, that is 40. Okay. Now let's make some relation. Hold shift key, this one vertical, okay. Again this point to this point, 64. That's it. Now click on the plane and hide. So the drawing looks, even hide this previous sketch. Now it looks little cleaner. Line. Now I am click here and move to this line. It is okay, fully defined. It is black, means it is fully defined, tangent to each point. Now let's mirror. Click mirror entity. I want to mirror this one. Mirror line. I'll choose this lines. You will see the preview. Say okay. Again choose mirror entity. Now this time I am going to choose this two line, and the center line or mirror line, I'll choose this one. Look. Trim entity. Activate trim entity. Power trim. Now let's trim all unnecessary. Just move your, press left mouse and drag, and trim unnecessary line. Now here also just delete unnecessary lines. Just move your cursor. See, all trimmed. Nothing balanced. Say okay. Look, this is fully defined sketch. Extrude. Now we want to extrude 10 millimeter. See, (10mm), end condition blind, and sketch what we selected this face, and direction is perfect. Say okay. Now select this face, sketch, activate corner rectangle and start to make corner rectangle. Activate smart dimension, 8 millimeter. Hold shift key, select these two lines, collinear relation. Now it's time to extrude. It's going reverse direction. So keep plane same, end condition blind, not blind, keep up to surface. Now here I have to choose surface, so I am going to select this surface. Look how is going to be happen. Say okay. Now look why this is happened, because we did one mistake. Just show previous sketch. Edit sketch. Now delete this distance, and actual 64, this line located at 64. So hold shift key and this line coincide. Say okay and exit. Now that's it. Hide. That's. Now if I am going to click this edge, you will see two options, fillet and chamfer. I'll choose fillet, and this outer fillet 12 millimeter. Okay. If I am going to select inside line, fillet. Now here Fillet type is constant size. Item to fillet, age we selected. Now these are the selection toolbar: tangent, propagation, full preview. You will see the preview. Symmetric, we don't need unsymmetric. Now radius 4 millimeter. Look. Now I'm going to choose hole wizard, and here I'll activate hole. DIN standard, I'm going to choose drill size, and the hole diameter is 8 millimeter. Down and click up to next. Position, select this face. Now move your cursor and you will see center point. Place. Again move your cursor and you will see center point. Place and escape key to out. You will see. That's it. Again I am going to choose hole wizard. Now this diameter is 9. I am going to choose end condition up to next. This is the important thing. Position, I'll select this face, move cursor near and place at center of this body or this flange. Now right click, select, means exit. Say OK. Look, the hole is created. Now let's create this flange. You will see this hole 20 millimeter from this center line, radius R2, center circle this 10 millimeter hole, corner R1, here distance 2 millimeter from this side, vertical 38, and this position 70 millimeter, 24 millimeter from this end, and there is a radius R24. Okay. Then all the radius we are going to create. So for this, right plane is perfect. Sketch. Okay. Now I'll show hidden line. Click line. Start with this line because this is the circular line. Go back to and see your line will convert automatically into arc. Just move up to here and press to this. Again continue, make line up to here, exit. And let me again activate line, and I am going to clear this up to here and up to, because we need to make close geometry up to here. Look, select this line, curve, convert entity. That's it. This one make sure tangent. Now let's define the first distance 20, R12. Now vertical length 38 millimeter. That's it. Now this line from here 24. Now this line from top edge 70, and this distance 2 millimeter, and this one we already fixed with this inside edge, so no need to define. Again take normal view. Okay, this is seems fully defined sketch. Extrude. Keep plane, end condition I'll choose mid plane, and depth or thickness 6 millimeter. If you see it's going to move in both sides. Say yes. Look, fillet, constant size fillet. Here choose radius 1 millimeter because this inside radius 1 millimeter. Now this one fillet. Here the edge selected 24 millimeter, this one. That's it. Again I am going to choose fillet and I'll choose this edge 2 millimeter. Select this edge also 2 millimeter, these two edges constant size fillet. That's it. Hole wizard, click here hole, DIN standard, drill size, and here the diameter 10, and end condition, up how long we need to cut. So I'll choose up to next, even though I can choose throughout, because I'll show you position. Click this face, move cursor near and you will see center point. Now escape key to out. See, we selected throughout. Throughout means the end of the body. See, if go to type and click only up to next, see, it's going to cut up to next wall. Okay, look. Now let's make fillet. Constant size fillet 2 millimeter. I already shown you all edges in drawing. Now then I'll choose this edge. Okay, now let's do this first, then fillet. I'll choose this one, this edge, this edge, and choose this also. Two millimeter symmetric constant size. Look, fillet. Now I am going to select this edge and this edge. It's 2 millimeter. Fillet. This one. I'll choose this edge. I'll choose this edge. Say OK. And this one makes separate constant size fillet. That's it. Now I think we achieved all the holes. Inside we forget. Okay, now there is no fillets, so let's do this. See, okay, let's make the last thing. Now at the bottom you will see this, there is a hole 4 millimeter cut out. See, corner radius also 2 millimeter, this radius also 2 millimeter, 6 millimeter from here, and this radius also R10 means 20 diameter. So select this face, sketch. Now first I'll choose here circle and the first diameter 20. Okay, I'll select this face, offset entity, keep 6 millimeter reverse. Okay, power trim, trim entity, click power trim and just move your cursor. That's it. This is what we need. Click extruded cut and make here plane already selected and condition keep blind and depth 4 millimeter. See, fillet. Now I'll choose one edge and see it gives me too many options here. So the second option I'll choose and see the 4 edges automatically going to select. Constant size fillet 2 millimeter we defined here. Symmetric radius. Okay. Fillet. Now this time we need to fix this face. See here we selected face only and it select all the edges 2 millimeter. Look. Real view. Now let's assign edit appearance. Okay, this one full defined. Now even though appearance seen from here also you can apply, I'll choose this face and metal brushed steel. See this hole, hold control key, this last activities brushed. See, so don't forget to share and like our video and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.